How to know if someone blocked you on Telegram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So with that, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the profile of the person that you feel has blocked you on Telegram. One of the ways to find if you have been blocked on Telegram is that you'll be able to see below their profile name it says last seen a long time ago. So it is one of the reasons or one of the validating points that you have been blocked. Next, when you type in the message, then the message will not be sent. There's only one tick over here. So it means it has not been delivered. Next, what you can do is try to call them. So when you try to call them, then it says the failed to connect and sorry, you cannot call because of the privacy settings. So this might be one of the reasons that you have been blocked on Telegram by the other person. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.